Yep, anytime. Comfy? I'm going to do a vlog, which is why I'm connected the helmets.
Okay.
Just let everyone know where I've been for 2 weeks. Well, good morning boys and girls, ladies, gentlemen, alien, weirdos, ugly beasts, whatever, I don't care. Sorry I've been away for a while. Had my 2 daughters over from Jersey, my 15-year-old who's on the back at the moment, she goes back next week. But also had my 21-year-old Summer with her friend over. The bag was a bit like the flat, being a 1-bedroom flat, was a bit like a tin of worms. Bijou, I think they call it. What the bloody hell? Nervous horse and all that. Slow down. Idiot driving past a horse like that. Anyway, yes, been like a bag of worms, and I managed to enjoy a second chest infection right in the middle of it. So it's been a very, 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 very eventful week. Well, horses all over the place. See if we can't meet a third. Yeah, had the chest infection. Where was I? Oh, I don't know. She brought a friend over who's got a Renault Megane F1. Well, you know, Renault, whatever. My God, does it go. Well, he grew up on Jersey and he's only ever driven it at Jersey speeds. You know, 40, occasional peak up to 50. So I whacked him over to an old airfield and helped to get him through that speed barrier. He managed 150, and then we got on the burn and bends for a week, and I got him learning the bends. Now the burn and bends are very tight, great fun in the car without having to break any national speed limits, if you know what I mean. They're just nice tight swerves, and he thoroughly enjoyed that. Located the camera all over the car and did a little video for him. I can't put the video up because there are a couple of little occasions where he sort of exceeded the limit, not by much, and didn't take bends too well. And you know what will happen? All the trolls will come out the woodwork, so it's staying private. But it was fun. I sort of taught him best as I could police standard driving for speed, the correct setup for bends and forward planning and observation and everything like that, and I think he thoroughly enjoyed it. I did. It was great fun. I have been watching your videos. I haven't found time to comment on a lot of them, but just before bedtime I was ploughing through a few. So if I haven't responded to your videos, Tom, Keith, John, Nev, etc, etc, etc. Yeah, I have been watching your videos, lads. Hopefully, Willow goes back next week, sadly, but hopefully I can start building back up and getting some more vids out there. I've got a lot to talk about, but can't think of a bloody thing at the moment. My mind's on shopping. I sent the two back with a whole load of supplies, and then realised I haven't got anything to feed me and Willow tonight, so this is a mercy dash. And it's strange being back on the bike. Having 10 days in a car, and it feels really, really strange to be back on the bike. Nice, but strange. And I think if I'm very lucky, it's going to whittle on me. Anyway, that was a short update, just to keep you posted. I haven't disappeared. Illness and family, just had a little brief interlude. I've got a couple of 3 new subscribers. Sadly, I can't remember their name off the top of my head. But you know who you are, and thank you, it is appreciated. Hope you enjoy some of my ramblings. And as always, ride safe and try and stay happy, because you know it hacks people off when you're happy, and we love hacking people off. Bye bye, lads, bye bye.